If you're a beginner in makeup, I don't like to do too much, then this video is for you. So first off, I'm starting off by priming my face. I'm using the Zikel Oil Free Primer. I put that my T-zone. This is just to control the oil and make my face matte all day. I use my Fully brush to gently brush my hairs in the direction that they grow. Once I'm done, I'll go in with my compact powder. This is just to take up excess oil on my brows. Then for brow, I'm using David's pencil in 03. Please don't mind my short brows, but make sure your brows is always precise. Just gently outline the under brows. Just basically making it slight through, like. Outline the other brows. So I'm gently filling in. I'm making a slight stroke and a light stroke at the beginning of the brows. I'm not shading too much. Now basically covering the places there is no hair. Okay, I'll go back with my spoolie brush and fade the beginning of the brows. I want to be more natural. Once I'm done, I'll be using my foundation, the V Beauty foundation in the shade Doa. I will take up little with my brush. And gently clean out any error. You can see that I don't even use much foundation. So I'll go back again. Little. I'll blend the excess foundation. So I'll clean up the upper part of the brows with the remaining foundation. So we are going straight to foundation. I'll take up my brush and apply the foundation over my face. So just to warm up the foundation before I start blending. And I'll be using a damp beauty sponge, guys. Damp, when I mean that you put it inside the water, you squeeze out the excess water in your beauty sponge before you start blending. You can actually use your brush if you are comfortable with that. So I'll blend. Guys, please don't be too hard on your face. Just be light-handed. Blend, blend, blend until you are satisfied with the coverage. Like, I'm not going for full coverage because it's just a simple makeup routine. So once I'm done with the foundation, I'll be using a setting powder to set my under eyes. I'm not going with a concealer. So I will use my beauty sponge as well, dust off the excess, then I'll just slightly to set my under eye, just to give it this a little light of all that would I put it. This is just to make my under eye look more brighter. Yeah. Guys, can you see the difference that makes? Once you are done, I will use my powder shade, my compact powder, to set the rest of my face with a fluffy brush. So to bring warmth to my face, I'll be using this shade here to contour my face. You can use any darker shade you have to contour your face. Your contour shade should be 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Just to warm up the face a bit. Then to add a pop of color to my face as well, I'll be using my eyeshadow palette. Just pick up the orange shade as my blush, dust off the excess on my brush, then just apply that close to my under eye, take it off a bit and blend. Just little. Guys, can you see the difference that makes? Look at this part and look at this part. So I'll do the same. I'll put the excess at the tip of my nose. So to warm up my eyes, I will just take any shade I want in my eyeshadow palette. Maybe I will take the darker shade there, just to warm up my eyes. Nothing much. Guys, always remember to blend so there will be no demarcation or no harsh line. You can use your eyeshadow palette for this if you don't want to use your powder. Next off, I'll be applying my mascara. I'm using the Polar Beauty mascara. I'm just checking if my mic is still on. Besties, please be careful in doing this to avoid any stain. Once I'm done, I'm going with my lip gloss. This is V Beauty lip gloss, V Beauty Essential Lip Care. My personal gloss, guys, so I can just do it directly. So I go back with my brush for the last time. This is just an ordinary brush, no powder or anything. Just tap, not anything. Make sure there is no harsh line. Blend all the products together. To remove any powdery effect, I'll just be setting my face with the Kiss Beauty. We are done, guys. Like done. So this is just a 15 minutes makeup look. You'll be trying this look